How to change your address in Temu app. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how in today's video we'll be guiding you to the process. So first of all, head over and launch the Temu application on your device and you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. So what you may do is you may go to your account. For that, tap on account, you tap in the bottom right, and from here you will be finding your profile page including different options and option called address as well. So look at that option and navigate to it and find it up, and here you'll be finding your address that you've currently added. If you're not added, you can find an add a new address section, but if you've already added, you can even find an option called change or something like that. So what you can do is simply tap on change or add a new address, and here you just need to go ahead and provide up the necessary information. So go ahead and select your country or region from where you belong. After that is done, you can just go ahead and type in your first name, your last name if not provided. After that, your phone number, which is very necessary. After that, you can provide up your flat, house number, building, street, etc. of the new address. After that, a delivery information if there is additional, which is optional for now. After that, enter a postcode in the format this given right here in the example. Just go ahead and do so. After that, select the town and city, and right below it we have option to select country. Just go ahead and do so again. And after that, you can just go ahead and tap on I agree to receive awesome events, incredible discounts, and more by SMS if you would like. And once that is done, you can just look out for the save button to confirm and apply the updated address, and that's it. That is it. And the important thing is if your order is already packed, it might be too late to change the shipping address through the app. In this case, you can contact the carrier directly to see if that they can update the address. Otherwise, in normal process, if you'd like to change your address, you may just head over and follow the steps, and that's it. So therefore, that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.